Welcome to Cooking for Baby and Me. I'm Lauren Rabin. On today's show, our featured ingredient is grapefruit, and we'll be making grapefruit duck sauce with salmon sticks and grapefruit and seared salmon. Joining us on the show today is Dr. Jennifer Janco, a pediatrician at St. Luke's University Health Network, and Chef Patrick Feury from Danlu and Nectar. Chef, we cannot wait to see how you're going to use these grapefruits in easy meals for the entire family. Right. So where should we get started?
First and foremost, we're going to take our grapefruit, we're going to segment it. And in like French kitchen stuff, they call these supremes, which is taking all the best of the grapefruit. This is called frisée. It's a really beautiful salad. It's pretty durable.
And what if you can't find frisée?
Arugula.
Okay. Arugula.
Spinach.
But things you could find in any local grocery store. I think
Exactly.
sometimes people get a little intimidated by foods they haven't bought or used before, but it looks like there's easy substitutions and things that are available locally.
So we're gonna build our salad. Yeah. So with this sauce, I call it Vietnamese sauce. It's fish sauce, sugar, vinegar, and water, equal parts all the way across. Just chopped garlic and also jalapenos. It's a really, really beautiful, deep flavor.
And you just whisked it all together in a bowl?
Mm-hmm. Yep. And then we have cashews. Put them right around.
Look at that, he's got that salad just about done.
And then we're gonna get.
We still have to make our salmon sticks.
Yeah.
So this looks like a fun variation on the traditional fish stick, which is what a lot of kids will gravitate towards, but certainly probably a lot healthier.
First, we're gonna start just a little vinegar.
Just a little vinegar.
Yeah. An equal amount of honey.
And we're making the sauce right now.
We're making the sauce. Yeah.
Okay.
So this, we're gonna just kind of make it a fun.
Yeah, they won't know they're eating salmon. They'll think it's a fish stick. Little deception's always okay.
Exactly. So we're gonna use two things. We're gonna use the cornstarch for a little slurry to get this thick and gooey, like we know fish sauce is. And we're also gonna dredge the salmon in this real quick because we're gonna make it fun for the gives it a little bit of texture on the outside.
So just a little olive oil. Okay.
Yep. And this is even good, if you're making these fish sticks. Basically, you can make them for the adults and the kids, and just a matter of the presentation.
So this can be made for the whole family and give the sticks to the kids, maybe with some veggies on the side, and put that on top of your salad, and you're good to go.
I do think parents struggle with, my child will only eat, and they'll list 2 or 3 things, and those things are not always the most nutritious ones. So taking something like a fish stick and turning it into this would really give them a lot of choices, and they can feel good about the food that they're serving their child.
Exactly, exactly. Is this all-purpose flour? It's cornstarch, right?
Cornstarch.
Cornstarch, yeah. The cornstarch is great for any celiac patients.
So this is the cornstarch. Just cornstarch and water, what we call a slurry.
Yes.
Okay.
You're just going to add that and it'll thicken right up.
Yeah.
You know what? I'm so surprised at how easy this was. It sounds a lot more difficult than it is.
All right, we got some nice sizzle.
And how long do you have to cook each side?
Just about a minute.
I'm so impressed, and I think we should all dig in. Let's start with the fish sticks.
Absolutely.
Why don't we all grab one?
Going in. A little bit of sauce.
A little bit of sauce.
Dunking away.
Oh, yeah.
This I'm really excited for.
Really good. Kids would eat that.
The sauce is nice and sweet, you're right.
Chef tested, pediatrician approved.
Pediatrician approved. Let's grab a fork and dig into the salad.
Fantastic.
Yeah. Cool.
Delicious.
And this will definitely have a South East Asian.
Fabulous.
Can't appreciate at home how good this tastes.